I'm Anthony, and I had a 1400 graft hair transplant at Kalos Hair Transplant. If I had to describe my experience with Dr. Stong and the staff, it would be two words: comforting and reassuring. Because of the accessibility and questions that were answered, made me just feel right at home. I first reached out to Kalos Hair Transplant because of all the amazing Google reviews. I had been doing some searching and Kalos stood out. When I first walked into Kalos, one of the first things I recognized was this peaceful nature and the attentiveness of the staff. I would rate my experience with Kalos Hair Transplant a 10 out of 10 because of, again, the attentiveness of the staff, and I always felt that I could reach out and get any questions or concerns I had addressed. The recovery after my hair transplant was actually pretty easy, smooth sailing. Because of the clear expectations the team gave me, I knew what to expect. The thing I love most, or the things I love most about my results, is the sort of confidence that I've regained since the procedure and the extra amount of sleep I get for not having to wake up early and spend an hour in front of the mirror to ensure my hair is just right. Yes, I've received a decent amount of feedback. I've been very open with the procedure with friends and colleagues, and they've sort of went along this journey with me and have given me nothing but great compliments about how I look, but also how I show up. Any advice for any individuals thinking about a hair transplant? If you're thinking about it, my suggestion, book a consultation. Ask the questions that you're concerned about and just take it from there. In closing, do your research. Spend some time thinking about what you want and where you feel most comfortable. I went to a previous site, wasn't happy with my results, and thankfully I was able to find Kalos, who was able to take the time, the patience, give me honest answers and feedback in a way that I felt comfortable and knew that I could go forward. And I'm so happy that I did that, and I'm happy with my results.